Okay, I'm putting down the coating, roof coating, but I'm got to build it up. So I'm going to put some of these shingles, but first I got to put a layer of this and then put it on the shingles so it bonds, and I build this area up to low spot. Doing prep. Okay, I've got this coated. Now I'm going to put it down over here. All right, let's get this in place. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to put one on top, get it nice and tight. Now we're going to coat this side. All right, let's get this coated here. All right. Okay, getting this side coated now to put on top of over here. Okay, there's the patch. That's just because it had a low spot of belly in it. All right. So that way water don't settle in there. Now let's get over here and get this started. Little prep, getting up this stuff. All right, that looks nice and smooth. Some old roofing tar. All right, when you get this stuff up. All right. Okay, next I'll be pouring this roofing tar, this acrylic rubber coating, roofing coating. All right, on it, and then I'll show you after I get done. Okay, there it is. Now, I'm going to start here. I'm going to push this out. Okay, I'm going to come back. I'm going to start spreading it. Okay. Now, all right, I'll show you the next step. All right, this is what we're doing. Okay, we're going to spread this out and bring it back. Hi, I'm Ken. This is Home Improvement Tips, aka Easy 2 Tips and Tricks where you see everything up close and personal. All right, the other thing I've done is I've gone around and I have taken the seams and I secured them. I glued them down where there was an issue, where it was coming loose, and sealed this. And I have a video on this in my live stream playlist. All right, and so there's about 1,200 square foot of roof here. So thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. Save for future reference. Tell a friend about my channel. Help me out, play my playlists. Check them out. A lot of information, a wealth of information. So take care, God bless, and as always, never give up, because there's always a way, always. So let's keep this country in prayer, and the world, and this election. Bye for now. Bye. God bless.